the construction lights on, is he painting the track?
That's what I was trying to wonder. Is he doing a little yellow lining around there in turn 3?
Then there's some kind of a green truck, and then you've got a Chevy Blazer. Everybody's hauling campers. And then you've got this great big RV. Definitely off the pace. Green flag.
Congestion.
What? Look out.
Holy cow.
Oh, my God.
Get around that RV.
Josh Cabin pulling him around. We've got all this other traffic on the track. Whoa, look out. He almost ran into the back of the trailer. Josh Cabin almost ran right into the back of that trailer.
Goodness. That would have been troubles in turns 3 and 4. He's going to try and slide through it. He's a man on a mission. Clinton, Wisconsin.
Almost hit the paint truck. Oh, to the inside of the pickup truck.
Inside, outside. None of them are going upside down, which is a good thing. Gavin trying to go to the inside there, and he did. Lost some time, though, to that 19 of Nightschwanger.
Correction, Adam Cartwright in the 7 car, not Josh Cabin. That is Adam Cartwright bringing him around in this crazy escape from I-90 race. What is going on? That is Cartwright leading them around. Here comes Nightschwager. Here comes Crazy passing the Weekender on the camper in that 57 Caterpillar truck. There goes the paint truck. They're going around the paint truck. They got trouble into turn 3. Oh, look out on the inside.
Inside, outside. Nightschwanger is going to spin out.
We're too wide. They're going slow. Crazy Ken on the outside of them.
Nightschwanger almost getting passed by the construction paint vehicle.
Wow. Slow traffic, fast traffic. Definitely a good definition of the escape from I-90 race, Eric.
Yeah, that Crazy Ken Brazy, definitely in that 81. He's working his way up there.
So it's Cartwright with the lead, followed by Crazy Ken. Nightschwager in third.
Oh, inside of the grass.
Wow, that RV's got to be tough to get around for Cartwright.
Tough to see. It's just in that stuck location. It won't go anywhere. It won't move high. It won't move low. It just stays there.
Riding on the inside of the 13 car, makes his move, trying to get around that other camper.
Matter of fact, that camper's smoking.
I wonder if that's one of the campers for a race tonight. He might not make it out of the I-90 race. As the white flag comes out for Adam Cartwright, followed by Crazy Ken. Look out for the traffic.
Oh, as he's going to weevil on the backstretch. Bleacher Creature's got a good look in there. That's a tight squeeze.
It looks like the paint truck just might pass the RV. We might have a race for slow vehicles. Who's it going to be? As our winner of the race was Adam Cartwright. The paint truck looking to the inside of the RV. No. Third place going to Nightschwager, fourth to Rodden, and fifth place to that 67 Pontiac Tempest. Ladies and gentlemen, did you like that escape from I-90 race? Make some noise! Eric, that was wild.
Especially when they're driving in between the traffic like they are with the speeds. This 7 machine is just unbelievable driving. If that's what it's like in construction and craziness, he's going to take it and go.
Smoky burnout for Adam Cartwright, our car number 42 Sportsman driver, out there rolling around in Josh Cavin's Roadrunner here for this Roadrunner
pace car now.
No, he's not part of it. Look out.
Here you go, Bleacher Creatures. Make some noise back there.
What do they call that, Eric? The Polish lap, I believe, when they run the lap in reverse.
That could have been the I-90 victory lap for all we know.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Adam Cartwright. Driving through the construction and the RVs, the trailers, the paint vehicle. What a wild race. That was wild. Wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, give it up for Adam Cartwright. Wow. Oh, I think he's actually going to get out of the car. Let's do it one more time. It's Adam Cartwright. Shame on me. I got to get the timing right.